I dead set just found a way to make money from the stuff in my backyard. Actually, it's growing at the side of my fence. Let's go for a walk. This is called elephant ear. Look at it, how beautiful and lush it is, and it's just growing crazy wild, which gave me a wild idea. Obviously, it's a beautiful plant. Looks gorgeous in your home. All right, it's quite big. There's another big one growing there, and look at the leaves. You know, you guys can make money off this stuff. I'll show you how. Let's go. So we want to go into Facebook Marketplace, type in giant elephant ears, and have a look at the prices. Oh my God, look, some of them $120. This one here is $50. $80. Amazing. So, you know, just go into Marketplace, have a look around your house for the different things that you've got. Then go into Gumtree, do the same thing, giant elephant ears. Again, $25, $45. Oh my God, there are so many ways that you guys can make money online in Marketplace. I've got excellent strategies. So if you love this content, you know what to do. Just like and follow for more tips. So